Dogs are known for their remarkable sense of smell, which is many times more powerful than that of humans. Their noses contain up to 300 million scent receptors, compared to our mere 5 million. This makes them highly attuned to the subtle chemical signals that emanate from our bodies. Over the years, researchers have been exploring the potential of using dogs as diagnostic tools for a variety of medical conditions, including cancer and diabetes. Here, we will delve deeper into how dogs are able to detect these conditions and the implications for human health. Cancer detection. Cancer is a complex disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Early detection is key to successful treatment, as the earlier cancer is caught, the better the chances of survival. Unfortunately, many types of cancer are difficult to detect in their early stages, which is where dogs come in. Studies have shown that dogs are capable of detecting certain types of cancer by scent. In one study published in the European Respiratory Journal, researchers trained a group of dogs to distinguish between the breath of lung cancer patients and healthy controls. The dogs were able to identify the lung cancer patients with a sensitivity of 71% and a specificity of 93%. Similarly, a study published in the journal Gut found that dogs were able to detect colon cancer by sniffing out volatile organic compounds, VOCs, in patients' breath. The dogs were able to identify the cancer patients with a sensitivity of 95% and a specificity of 98%. It is thought that cancer cells release unique chemical compounds that can be detected by a dog's sensitive nose. These compounds, known as VOCs, are present in breath, urine, and other bodily fluids of cancer patients. By training dogs to recognize these specific VOCs, researchers hope to develop a new tool for early cancer detection. However, it's worth noting that the use of dogs as diagnostic tools for cancer is still in the early stages of development. While the results of these studies are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the potential of this approach. Low blood sugar detection. Low blood sugar, or hypoglycemia, is a common problem for people with diabetes. When blood sugar levels drop too low, it can lead to a variety of symptoms, including dizziness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. In severe cases, it can be life-threatening. For many people with diabetes, monitoring blood sugar levels is a constant challenge. However, some trained dogs are able to detect low blood sugar levels by scent. When blood sugar levels drop too low, the body releases a chemical called isoprene, which is detectable by dogs. In one study published in Diabetes Care, researchers trained a group of dogs to detect hypoglycemia in their owners. The dogs were trained to recognize the scent of isoprene and to alert their owners when their blood sugar levels were low. The dogs were able to accurately detect hypoglycemia with a sensitivity of 83% and a specificity of 93%. The use of dogs to detect low blood sugar levels has the potential to be a life-saving tool for people with diabetes. However, like cancer detection, more research is needed to fully understand the potential of this approach. In addition to cancer and low blood sugar detection, dogs have also been trained to detect other medical conditions. For example, some dogs are trained to detect seizures in people with epilepsy. When a seizure is about to occur, the body releases certain chemicals that are detectable by dogs. By alerting their owners to an oncoming seizure, these dogs can provide valuable assistance in managing the condition. Dogs have also been trained to detect bacterial infections, such as Clostridium difficile, C. diff, and methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. In one study, a dog was able to accurately detect C. diff in stool samples with a sensitivity of 100% and a specificity of 94%. Another study found that dogs were able to detect MRSA in patients with a sensitivity of 90% and a specificity of 87%. The use of dogs as diagnostic tools is not without its challenges, however. One of the main challenges is standardizing the training process to ensure that all dogs are trained to the same high standards. Another challenge is ensuring that the dogs are able to perform reliably in different environments and with different individuals. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of using dogs as diagnostic tools are significant. Dogs have the potential to detect medical conditions earlier than current screening methods, which could lead to more successful treatment outcomes. They also have the potential to reduce healthcare costs by providing a less invasive and less expensive screening method. There are also potential ethical concerns related to the use of dogs as diagnostic tools. For example, some people may feel uncomfortable with the idea of using animals in this way. Additionally, the use of dogs in medical settings raises questions about animal welfare and the potential risks to the dogs themselves. To address these concerns, it is important to ensure that dogs are treated ethically and with care. This includes providing appropriate training, ensuring that the dogs are comfortable and safe in their working environment, and monitoring their health and well-being. Despite the potential ethical concerns, the use of dogs as diagnostic tools is a promising area of research that has the potential to improve human health. As our understanding of the canine sense of smell continues to evolve, we may discover new applications for dogs in the detection of medical conditions. It is worth noting that dogs are not the only animals with exceptional olfactory abilities. Other animals, such as rats, bees, and even dolphins, have also been trained to detect specific substances or conditions. For example, rats have been trained to detect landmines and tuberculosis, while bees have been trained to detect cancer. In addition to their use as diagnostic tools, dogs are also important in the field of therapy. Animal-assisted therapy has been shown to have a range of benefits for individuals with various medical conditions, including cancer, dementia, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Dogs are particularly well-suited for this type of therapy due to their friendly and loyal nature, as well as their ability to form strong bonds with humans. Overall, the potential of dogs as diagnostic tools and therapy animals is vast. By working with these animals and understanding their incredible olfactory abilities, we may be able to develop new approaches to medical screening and treatment that are less invasive, more effective, and more affordable. At the same time, we must remain mindful of potential ethical concerns and ensure that these animals are treated with care and respect. With ongoing research and development, dogs and other animals may play an increasingly important role in improving human health and well-being in the years to come. If you are interested in using dogs as a diagnostic tool or therapy animal, it is important to work with a qualified professional who has experience in this area. This may include a veterinarian, dog trainer, or therapist who specializes in animal-assisted therapy. When selecting a dog for this purpose, it is important to choose a breed that is well-suited for the task at hand. Different breeds have different temperaments, energy levels, and instincts, which can affect their ability to perform in a medical or therapy setting. It is also important to ensure that the dog is healthy and well cared for, with up-to-date vaccinations and regular veterinary checkups. Dogs used in medical or therapy settings should be trained to follow specific commands and routines, and should be comfortable in a variety of environments and with different types of people. Finally, it is important to be aware of potential ethical concerns related to the use of dogs as diagnostic tools or therapy animals. We can say that dogs have the potential to be valuable diagnostic tools for a wide range of medical conditions, including cancer and low blood sugar. While there are potential challenges and ethical concerns associated with this approach, the results of the studies thus far are promising. By continuing to explore the potential of the canine sense of smell, we may be able to develop new and innovative approaches to medical detection and diagnosis in the future. Thanks for seeing us once.